Hello everyone, welcome back to online math sub. So to solve this, I'm gonna split this stuff we see here using the rule of indices, which basically says that if you have, let's say, a power x plus y, you can actually write this as a power x times a power y. So this is what I'm gonna use to actually split the right hand side, and if I do that, my left hand side is x power x is now equal to 8 power x and then multiply by 8 power 64. Okay, so next I'm going to divide through by 8 power x. Okay, 8 power x is actually going to divide this one, and then on the left hand side I'm having x power x divided by 8 power x is equal to that is 8 power 64. Now moving on, the next thing I'm going to do, of course you can see that x is common between this one, so I'm just going to give them a common power. Okay, that is x over 8. Okay, power x over here is now equal to 8 power. I can actually write this 64 as 8 power 2. Okay, so now that we've gotten this, what I'm going to do next is actually to raise both sides to power 1 over 8, and if I do that, what I'm going to be having is x divided by 8 power x, and then power 1 over 8 is now equal to 8 power 8 power 2, and then all raised to power 1 over 8. Okay, now moving on, at this point I am going to push this one inside here, and if I do that, what I'm going to be having is x divided by 8, and then power this x will actually multiply this one, then have x divided by 8. Okay, and now on the right hand side, what I'm going to do here is I can actually write this as 8 power 8 power 2, and then I will use this to multiply this. This is multiplied by 1 over 8, and of course I can write 1 over 8 as 8 power minus 1. Okay, so using the rule of indices, you can see they have the same base, so I'm just going to add the powers, and if I do that, you're going to see that on the right hand side I have 8 power 2, and then minus this one right here, and on the right hand side you will also see that this right hand side now reduces to 8 power 8. Of course 2 minus 1 is 1, and 8 power 1 will still give us same as 8. So here I am having 8 power 8 right here, and on the left hand side I still have the same x over 8 power x over 8. Okay, x over 8 power x over 8. Okay, now you can see that we can actually compare all of these. The base is the same, the power is the same, so which now implies from here that x over 8 is now equal to 8, and from here, which also implies that when you multiply both sides by 8 right here, that x is actually going to give you 8 times 8, which is actually 64, and that is actually going to be the final value for it. Of course, if you put it in that question, you actually see that it satisfies the question. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, follow us on Facebook, and of course I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.